Driving a 10-speed manual transmission. Clutch to the floor, then shift to first gear. First gear over to your left, pull back. Let's start driving. Shift between 1000 RPMs and 1500 RPMs. 1300 RPMs be great. This will save fuel consumption. Clutch neutral, clutch gear. 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 Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Splitter up, shift to sixth gear. Seventh